All right, guess what? Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. Now, you know I'm madly in love with HelloFresh. Everything I've made from HelloFresh is amazing. And as always, we got a discount code for you. Don't forget to put my discount code in. Go to HelloFresh.com, put in JackShow60, and you'll receive $20 off each of your first 3 box deliveries. Not only can you tell them how often you want food, but basically you can tell them how often and how many people you want food for. They have different variation of boxes you can choose from. You got to check out their website. Try HelloFresh.com. All right, here's meal number 1, thyme and honey pork chops. You got the pork chops, you got triple washed arugula, peaches, shallots, veggie stock, 2 packets of that, honey, couscous, and thyme right here. And this is what meal number 1 is supposed to look like. Meal number 2, Southwestern beef tacos. Now what they do is they give you a bag of each meal, perfectly measured out, all the ingredients you're gonna use. We're gonna have pepper jack cheese, sour cream, lime, jalapenos, bell peppers, red onion, flour tortillas. They give you everything. The Southwestern spice blend, the beef, the cilantro. I've had this meal. This is delicious. And this is what it's supposed to look like.
You're right.
We are making meal number 3. You get ready. We're doing amazing apricot chicken. We have chicken, and we have chicken stock, and we have potatoes, and we have shallots. We have green beans and thyme, and balsamic vinegar, and apricot, I think it's a jam. Yep. Step 1, you first have to wash and dry all produce. Okay, we've washed all the produce, and now we're going to cut all our potatoes in half. Step 2, roast green beans. Okay, we're gonna roast everything, but we gotta oil and salt it first. So let's just put a little drizzle of oil on everything. Now some salt. Step 3, we're gonna prep the shallots. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is finally mince our shallot, so get that shallot cut up. Step 4, it's time to cook the chicken. All right, what you wanna do is grab a skillet, put some oil in it. We're gonna cook up our chicken right now. They give you nice sized breasts. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our chicken. We're gonna set it to rest. See how it's all browned up, there's no more pink. Chicken looks good. We're gonna rest all this chicken. Step 5, let's make our sauce. Then you're gonna lower your flame. We're gonna use the same pan. There's your shallots. Add those in there. Add your thyme. Take your balsamic vinegar here. Add that in. And then you're gonna dump in your apricot jelly. Get that put in there.
Okay.
Add your stock concentrate. And 1 teaspoon of water. Step 6, plate and serve. All right, let's get the chicken on a plate now. All right, it's time to plate everything. Let's do it. Gonna sauce up our chicken. Now we're gonna put the green beans on here. And some potatoes. Doo-doo-doo. Amazing apricot chicken. All laid out and beautiful. Now let's give it a try. All right, there you go. Quick and easy to make. Check it out, HelloFresh.com. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I want to be totally honest with you for a moment. I've been with HelloFresh for years. Why? I only work with brands I love, and HelloFresh has been delicious. Every single week, they put together a blend of unique flavors that you can do in about 30 minutes. So please, if you're thinking about it, go to HelloFresh.com and put in JackShow60. You'll get a total value savings of $60, and they'll spread it out over your next 3 boxes, $20 each. That's the discount code I have for you. Try HelloFresh, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.